Hi friends, welcome to learning English vocabulary. As we know, English vocabulary is the most important in every exam and job, and especially in teaching jobs. We will learn it with pronunciation and with multiple meanings. In this video, words are starting with letter A. Let's have a look on the words. What are the words? Let's see. The first word is absolve, mean set free from promise, maafi dena. Next is absorb, mean suck up, preoccupy, jazb karna. Here are the two meanings. Next one is abstain, mean keep away or not vote. Baaz rehna. Here are the two meanings. Keep away, not vote. Next one is abstract, mean short idea of a speech. Mukhtasar, khulasa. Abstruse, mean hard to understand. Mushkil. Next is effort, mean going on, happening. Pedal. Amplifier, mean loudspeakers like an electronic device or electric device, mean बलंद करना. Next, affront, mean public insult or indignity. बरमला तौहीन. Afire, mean on fire, burning, shola. Amiable, mean lovable, kind-hearted. Dilkash. There are the two English meanings. Agape, mean wonder, wide open mouth with wonder. Muh khula. Agate, mean kind of precious stone. Sange Suleimani. Agenda, mean items of business to be considered. Agenda. Agglomerate, mean grow into mass. Akattha karna. Aggravate, mean make worse, bigarna. Aggregate, mean total or collection, mizan. Annex, mean add to one's possession or winning. Another mean is winning, palena. Next word is anonymous, mean nameless or unknown, ghair maroof. Antelope, mean deer-like animal, that is an animal barasinga jaisa. Thank you for learning with us. I hope you learned the words very quickly, very easily, with pronunciation, with meanings. If you like the video, please share it, like it, and subscribe the channel by clicking the bell icon. Good luck. Take care. Take a very good care of you. Goodbye.